Could the silent dreams of animals unlock a universal truth about consciousness itself? When a dog whines in its sleep, is it reliving a joyful chase or escaping fear? In 2024, neuroscientists made a groundbreaking discovery. Sleeping brains don't just rest, they simulate entire worlds, issuing motor commands that never get executed but have consequences as if they did. Are animals simply resting, or are they experiencing something eerily similar to our own inner worlds? We are stepping into the neurological frontier of animal sleep, a place where science is blurring the line between human consciousness and animal minds. The Hidden Consciousness of Other Minds, featuring 2024 to 2025 breakthrough research. Sleep is one of the most universal and mysterious behaviors in biology. From insects to elephants, mammals, birds, reptiles, and even octopuses sleep. But here's the strange part. Sleep is dangerous. It leaves animals vulnerable to predators. So why would evolution preserve something so risky? Scientists believe the answer lies not just in rest, but in mental processing. And here's a fascinating twist. The champion REM sleepers aren't humans at all. The duck-billed platypus experiences 8 hours of REM sleep per day, 4 times more than humans. If REM sleep were just evolutionary noise, why would nature's most ancient mammals invest so heavily in it? We've all seen it: twitching paws, fluttering eyelids, birds softly chirping in sleep. If animals sleep like us, do they dream like us too? In humans, dreaming is strongly linked to REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. During REM, brain activity becomes intense, emotional, and strangely awake. Recent neuroscientific studies show something astonishing. Many animals experience REM sleep too. Dogs, cats, rats, dolphins, birds, even some reptiles display REM-like brainwave patterns. But in August 2024, researchers made a breakthrough that changed everything we thought we knew about dreaming. Using cutting-edge brain imaging in mice, scientists at leading research institutions discovered that during REM sleep, the brain's motor command center, the superior colliculus, issues commands like turn left or turn right. Here's the remarkable part. These commands aren't executed because the body is paralyzed during REM sleep, but the brain responds as if it was. The internal compass in the sleeping mouse's brain shifts direction exactly as it would if the animal had physically turned. The sleeping brain doesn't just replay memories, it actively simulates interactions with the world. In 2024 and 2025, advanced studies revealed the hippocampus, memory center, activates, the amygdala, emotion processing, lights up. The motor cortex issues commands that reshape internal reality. Beta waves during REM sleep directly correlate with memory consolidation. In rats, scientists have discovered neurons involved in navigating mazes fire in the same sequence during sleep. Animals replay and rehearse experiences while unconscious. They're not just resting, they're simulating, practicing, living in virtual worlds. Outside the lab, the evidence becomes even more compelling. Dogs often run in place, bark and whimper, wag their tails, show facial expressions of joy or fear. Cats silently stalk invisible prey, their pupils dilating as if tracking movement only they can see. Birds rehearse song patterns during sleep, a behavior directly linked to REM cycles. Young songbirds literally practice their melodies while sleeping, refining notes for the next day's performance. Sleep deprivation studies reveal the cost of missing REM. Learning ability drops dramatically. Emotional regulation weakens. Social behavior deteriorates. Motor skills fail to consolidate. In birds, disrupted sleep leads to measurably poorer song performance, proving dreams help refine skills. A 2024 study on melatonin revealed its crucial role in REM sleep regulation, showing how MT1 receptors in the locus coeruleus, the brain's blue spot, control the transition into REM sleep by quieting noradrenaline neurons. Cross-species brain comparisons reveal shared neural architectures, memory consolidation circuits, emotional processing regions, sensory replay systems, virtual simulation networks. Different species, remarkably similar inner machinery. Which raises an uncomfortable question. If animals process memories, emotions, and experiences in sleep, what does that say about their conscious lives while awake? Perhaps the most mind-bending discoveries come from unexpected species. Meet Heidi, an octopus who became a scientific sensation. In viral footage filmed by marine biologist David Scheel, Heidi sleeps in her tank, her body pulsing through a kaleidoscope of colors, pale white to yellow, then dark magenta, finally settling on yellow and black paisley. Scheel narrates what may be unfolding. She sees a crab. Her color starts to change. Then she turns all dark. Octopuses do that when they leave the bottom. This is camouflage, like she's subdued a crab and doesn't want anyone to notice. A 2021 study confirmed that octopuses cycle between quiet sleep and active sleep, with dynamic skin patterns, rapid eye movements, and varying arousal thresholds during the active phase. Researchers describe it as remarkably similar to mammalian REM sleep. But here's what makes this extraordinary. Octopuses don't even have centralized brains like mammals. 2/3 of their 500 million neurons live in their arms, not their heads. Their relatives, Cuttlefish, have been confirmed to experience REM-like sleep phases since 2012, complete with rapid eye movements and color changes. This challenges one of neuroscience's deepest assumptions, that consciousness requires a human-like brain structure. Instead, consciousness may be a spectrum, not a switch. Multiple evolutionary paths may lead to similar inner experiences. A 2025 comprehensive review of mammalian sleep reveals that while most mammals can experience REM sleep, some species show atypical patterns. Cetaceans, whales, and dolphins may have limited REM due to unihemispheric sleep. Arabian oryx and African elephants show reduced REM, but even these species show signs of dream-like mentation during non-REM sleep. If dreams reflect internal experience, then animals aren't simple biological machines. They may be subjects, not objects. They may have inner lives as rich and complex as our own, just expressed differently. New technologies are accelerating this field at unprecedented speed. 2024 to 2025 breakthroughs include whole brain calcium imaging, revealing global cortical patterns, AI-assisted brainwave decoding, predicting dream content, non-invasive neural imaging tracking, memory reactivation, cross-species, cognitive modeling, real-time neural population, dynamics measurement. A July 2025 study demonstrated that pre-sleep experiences directly shape dream content. Researchers could identify which audiobook participants studied simply by analyzing their dream reports and REM sleep brain activity. The occipital cortex, once thought passive during sleep, has been revealed as a critical controller of REM sleep transitions, with distinct activation patterns that promote or suppress dreaming states. But with discovery comes profound responsibility. If animals dream, if they simulate experiences, consolidate memories, and process emotions, if their brains create virtual worlds as we do, then how we treat them, in labs, farms, homes, and the wild, may need to change forever. Understanding animal dreams doesn't just redefine them, it forces us to redefine ourselves. Are we alone in experiencing consciousness? Or are we surrounded by minds, different in architecture but similar in experience? The sleeping brain is not passive. It's a simulator, a virtual reality generator, a world builder. And this machinery exists not just in us, but across the animal kingdom. So next time you see a dog twitch in its sleep, or watch an octopus pulse with color, or hear a bird chirp softly in the night, ask yourself, what world is it visiting, and how different is it really from your own? The answer may be, not different at all.